Short video about spider plant growth, propagation in water. Spider plant fast growth in water. How to propagate? Now here are the spider eggs, and when I remove it from the mother plant like this and put it in water or direct soil, I have many free plants. Now see, these are the small node areas, aerial roots appearing in the plant. So once you remove them from the mother plant, you can propagate and have many plants. That is how you multiply them very easily, and that is the exact way of propagating these plants. So see, now I removed it from the mother plant and I am going to put it in water. Take a clean glass of water and insert the spider plants where only the roots are touching. Don't go to put the leaves inside water, and you can put only the roots in water and let it. Simply keep it near a window for fast growth, and also let some sunlight touch the plant, because that will be an additional thing for the plant to grow very healthily. So let this plant to stay near a window, and you will see the amazing growth of this beautiful plant. So once the roots are appearing, you can put it in soil, or else you can keep it in water as it is as a home decoration, because normally we keep this plant in our homes as an air purifier, so you can do so. These spider plants are in a DIY planter, and the planter is almost full now. I have to do a repotting for that, and you all can remember, if you are my old subscribers, I did this DIY planter as well. Beautiful spider plant in a small clay pot. This video also is available on my channel. I will put the link in the description as well. So this is another spider plant. So from here I'm going to end this video. I will be doing the update video of repotting this plant. So the second video will be soon coming. So stay tuned with me, and also if you are new, consider subscribing for more upcoming gardening videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.